So today I'm going to make a recipe that I actually learned in New York. This is a recipe by my friend Vijay Sablok, and this was at a time where I absolutely did not know how to cook, and so I meticulously wrote down everything that he did, and till this day I absolutely love this stew. And I asked him, what stew is this? And he said it's Punjabi stew. And I have to tell you, Vijay, that I may not meet you as often, but every time I make this stew, I do think of you. So let's get cooking. Oil. 1 chili, cinnamon, 1 bay. A few cloves, garlic, cardamom, onion, a little salt, potatoes, carrot, cauliflower, French bean, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and now the mutton. Give it all a good stir. Cook the vegetables along with the mutton, so it's a very, very tasty mix. I'm just going to cook this in coconut milk. We're going to let it cook on high for 2 whistles, and after that just about 10 to 15 minutes. So now if you want to add and you want to have extra gravy, all you need to do is put some of the coconut milk into it. At this point of time I'm going to be adding ginger, just juliennes of ginger over it, a whole lot of mint. This brings so much of freshness to the stew. Just give it a nice stir. Let it have one last boil, and then you can have this with some nice rice. Lovely, robust, heartwarming stew. Okay, this is so good. This is so good. So in the beginning, there were a lot of recipes that I actually learned from my friends. That's how I started cooking. This is a recipe that I learned even before I started cooking, and it is one of my favorites. You have to try this.